In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a recurring task in Asana. This guide will be particularly helpful for those of you working on projects that require regular updates or maintenance tasks. By setting up recurring tasks, you can streamline your workflow and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Let's dive in. Now that you're logged in, let's focus on creating a task. You'll want to navigate to the project where this task will live. It's crucial to ensure you're in the right project, as this will determine where your task is stored and accessed by team members. Once you're in the correct project, look for the Add Task button. This is usually easy to find at the top of the screen or within the task list, depending on your layout settings. Clicking this button initiates a new task, so let's go ahead and do that. After hitting the button, it's time to name your task. Choose a title that clearly indicates what the task involves. Remember, clarity is key here. A well-named task helps everyone understand the task's purpose at a glance. In the Details section, you can expand on what the task entails by adding a more comprehensive description. This is also the part where you can set a due date and assign the task to someone in your team if needed. Providing this level of detail is important because it ensures that everyone is on the same page about what's expected and when it should be done. Next, let's talk about setting a due date for your task. This is important because it establishes a timeline for when the task should be started or completed. To set the due date, click on the calendar icon next to the due date field. This will pop open a calendar, allowing you to select a specific date that aligns with your schedule. Now, with your due date selected, it's time to make the task recurring. You'll notice beneath the due date, there's an option to repeat the task. Click on this drop-down or link. This is where the magic of recurring tasks happens. In the repeat settings, you'll want to choose the frequency. Consider how often you'll need this task to reappear, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. Perhaps you have a specific custom interval in mind. The flexibility here ensures that you can tailor these repeating tasks precisely to fit your project needs. You might also need to adjust additional settings, like when these repetitions should end or specify the days they should occur on. For instance, if a task should repeat every Friday and you want it to stop at the end of the year, these settings can be crucial. Finally, let's make sure everything's set. Go ahead and click Create Task or Save. You've now finalized your recurring task, and from here onwards, Asana will automatically generate this task on the schedule you've chosen. And that's it. Your recurring task is fully set up to streamline ongoing workflows. This ensures consistent follow-through on regular tasks, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in organizing your tasks with Asana.